All right, good afternoon, everybody. All right, is there anybody who did not finish their tests yesterday? I know some of you might have been, I think it was a field trip was yesterday, or that was today. Today's the field trip. All right, I know a couple of you were absent yesterday, so you were supposed to be working on the progress learning, not progress learning, I'm sorry, the progress check in AP Classroom. That's what you should have done yesterday. So if you haven't done that, please use this time to do that. Only about 3 of you who did not do that. Everybody else, we are moving forward. What I'm going to do, we're going to do, the next unit is, let me pull that up. And I'm going to, because some people are testing, I'm going to let you start on a worksheet, a web quest. And this is not due anytime soon because it's long. It's going to take many parts for you to do it. So it's something that you work on as you go along. So let me pull up the module. Okay, so we are starting. We finished with populations. That's what everybody's testing now. If you hadn't finished the test, again, please use this time to finish that test. I will transfer those grades over as I finish grading the FRQs. But we are starting Earth systems. The first part of Earth, so you should do the overview. And the first part of that is the lithosphere. So I have a very extensive worksheet for you to work on for the lithosphere. And we'll do the same with each one where you'll have like a web quest thing to complete, as well as the usual AP classroom assignments. So I haven't assigned it unit 4 yet in the AP classroom, but we're going to do the worksheet. So give me a minute to load that up, and then I'll explain that. Uh, okay, I thought I had done it already, but apparently I didn't. Nope. All right, so while I'm doing this, you can read the overview. Okay, here it is. All right, let me get attendance done before your time slips away. What happened with the last class? Time slipped away, so some of y'all were waiting a bit. I apologize for that. Okay, now it's balanced. I hope it was enjoyable. I was missing all my. Did you have fun? Was it interesting? That's good. Not a problem. I was just doing attendance, and so you're good. You came at the right time. I was like, I'm missing somebody, and it was you. All right. So what they were doing is those folks who needed to do the test from yesterday, they're working on that. And what we're doing, we're starting the new unit, but I'm not starting it yet. I want y'all who are finished to go ahead and one, look at the overview. So let me start there. Whoops, let me start with looking at the overview. Okay. So with this unit on Earth systems, we're going to look at several different systems. So we're going to look at the lithosphere, and all of them end with sphere. So the lithosphere is the land, and then the hydrosphere is the water, and the geosphere is the topography of the land. The atmosphere, that's the one that makes the most sense. You're familiar with that. That's the air. And so those are the spheres that we're going to look at in this section. And so we're going to look at all of these. We're going to talk about weather and why this weather is going wacky wacky because we're either in the El Nino or La Nina season, depending on which side of the country you're on. And so these are the things that we're going to cover, and plate tectonics. Um, and if you click on this, always look at the vocabulary. And as you can see there, it's a lot of vocabulary, a lot. So take a minute to look at that. But what I want you to also do, and this is an ongoing project, so you can get started with it. It's not due for 2 weeks. So every chance you get, you need to work on it a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. So you're going to go to this website and hopefully it'll work for you. And you're going to use it to help you answer the questions on the worksheet. And it's quite a lengthy worksheet. So like I said, you're not trying to get it all done in a day, but the website should help you. And let me click on this website to make sure. In fact, I need somebody to click on it as well to see if I need to put that in to get it unblocked for you all. Okay, let me see what you're looking at. Okay, so when you click on that link, it'll take you to this website, and then you click here, it says start your exploration. And you see it's got, this almost looks exactly like the worksheet. So you're just going to take these words and put them in the blanks. Let me go back up here. All right, you see how that is? So if you go into the website, it's going to give you the answers. Okay, so use this website to help you and just keep clicking and going through. So you can, it's blocked. Okay, all right, so for now, while I have this up, let me put it in for them to unblock it. Thank you. It's like every time I want to do a website that's functional, they have it blocked. So, all right. So in the meantime, while I'm trying to get this unblocked for you guys, just do the close. Go ahead and look at the overview, and then you can even look at the the introduction to Lithosphere. So again, just read today, and by next class I'll have it unblocked. If they unblock it today, it might still need to be unblocked on Friday. All right. All right, so just read today if you've already completed. If you have no outstanding assignments, by all means, just read today. If you do, that's what you should be working on. And again, those people who are working on the test, continue working on the test. All righty. So let me put that in. Deja, since you tried it, Mr. Phillips said he just added it and to let him know if it's still blocked. So could you try it again? Or anybody, uh, try that website again. I'm going to put it in the chat to make it easier so that you don't have to go to the worksheet. Right there, it's in the, see if that'll work for you. He said let him know if it is still blocked. So if you can get in, I see some activity. All right, so I'm going to tell him that it works, and y'all are good. Gianna, I hope you were working on your AP Classroom progress check. Right, folks, it is just about 2 o'clock, so if you're in a good place to stop, go ahead and stop. Those of you who are working on the test, you know you can save that and continue working on that. All right, and I will have 4.1 assigned for Friday. Or we might just let y'all work on the web quest on Friday and start 4.1 next week. How about that? Let's do that. All right, it is time to go. Folks from the next class are already trying to log in. So I will see you all on Friday.